In this video, we will show the first troubleshooting steps for a TV that will not power on. The TV we are working with is a Vizio, model number E400i-B2. Although there are many factors that can affect the TV, we are showing the first steps in troubleshooting if your TV will not power on. In these troubleshooting steps, we will use a multimeter to check for certain voltages. In order to continue troubleshooting, be sure you have the proper training, experience, skills, and equipment necessary to use a multimeter to check voltages in a TV. Try all repairs and troubleshooting at your own risk. The first thing that I can do is to check and see if there's a standby light in the front of the TV. Some TVs have the ability to show a standby light, while others do not. If I do see a standby light in the front of the TV, that shows that I do have some power going to the TV, but it will just not turn on. We will continue troubleshooting. I have removed the back cover off the TV, and I will use my meter to check the standby voltage on the power supply. First, identify the power supply in your TV. Then look for a cable that runs from the power supply to the main board. Then you can look to see if the board has a legend on it showing which pins show what voltages. We have highlighted the pin that we want to test, and it is labeled as pin 1 5VSB for 5 volts standby. Here's an image of our probe in the correct test point. After you have checked the pin, if you do have the 5 volt standby on your meter, then it shows that you do have standby, and it is recommended to replace the main board. If you test the standby and you do not have the 5 volt standby, then it is recommended to replace the power supply board. Click the link in the video to go look at another video showing how to replace the boards. This testing is a great place to start for troubleshooting these symptoms. In some rare cases, if you do have standby and your TV will not power on, the problem could also be a component on the power supply board. However, to start troubleshooting, it is recommended to replace the main board first.